Hello, in this video I'm going to show the progress of a game I'm developing called Animal Hunt. That's just the working title. This is level 1 and it's a forest. I'm probably only going to have one level to this game, but I'm not sure yet. And I got this map from the nature package asset, and that asset is either free for a month or free permanently. I can't remember which. And this is the demo map from the asset, and I added the walls around the perimeter so that the player won't fall off the edge of the map. I'll show what this looks like. I have the deer partially working now, so I can shoot them and they will react to being shot. And they can also die. The AI on the deer is not complete yet, so I have more work to do.